everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Sadara, and today I got the interesting idea to do a painting for a video. I haven't painted in like a year, and I just want to like do something just to get back in the groove. And I've been having this idea of like this colorful swirly heart, and so we're just gonna do that today. You know, you can get out your art materials and create with me. We can chill and have some fun, you know what I'm saying? I got some new lights going. Yeah, hopefully the sound is better this time. I got a microphone. Yeah. I put some frequency waves. When my sister Sati came to visit, she gave me a DVD with some like brainwaves. So right now we got the alpha frequency going, then it'll go to theta, delta, gamma. Yeah, I don't know too much about all the frequencies, but I actually got to work with a hypnotherapist, helping her out with her social media, and in return she would teach me stuff about psychology and healing and the mind. And she taught me about theta, when your brain is the most receptive, something like that. But yeah, I just want to open this space for all good energies. Thank you for I think it was 11 of you who subscribed. Thank you and welcome. I just want today to be chill. I haven't painted in about a year and a couple months. But yeah, I'm excited. We got, multiple shades going, multiple dimensions. It's a heart, and I want it to be kind of like a fourth dimensional heart. The heart is fourth dimensional, but not the pause. But I want it to be like just extra. Alright, so I decided we should pull a card to see what the vibe is. Maybe I can get some extra info for the painting. Maybe you can. What are you doing, by the way? We're just gonna set the intention to receive whatever will inspire us for this creative adventure we are going on. Thank you, higher self. Thank you, universe. Okay, this one. Earth Star Chakra Initiation. Reminded me of my video, and I was like, welcome to the initiation. Some cults. Welcome to the initiation. Okay, what am I doing? Bro. No, this is not a cult. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna read it. It says number 1. Earth Star Chakra Initiation. Oneness, collective consciousness, anchoring transmissions from the higher realms, sacred earth knowledge, integration of the divine, working with grid lines. You are standing at a gateway into the unknown with trust in your heart, ancient remembering in your soul, and inner illumination to light the way. You have access to the seat of creation, the spark of existence, and the codes that hold the blueprints of who and what we are. This place is clear and grounded, despite moving through multidimensional realms and being able to bridge worlds while functioning in physical reality. The higher you reach for the divine in the realms of spirit, the more important it is to anchor deeply to the earth. Was I not just talking about balance in my last video? Bro. So, love that message. Yes, we are anchoring the heart into the third dimension. Oh, I forgot there's water in here. Okay, not the third dimension wanting to be known. That grounded me for sure. Alright. Okay, also I got some rose incense going. So, feel free to set your aroma space. We're going for a total vibe moment. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop into this. Follow my heart, literally. Alright, so my microphone kept turning off. So, so I broke my nail. By the end of this video, I lost like 2 nails. So, yeah, got new nails now, but definitely recommend wearing gloves if you're gonna paint, because, there was paint all over my nails by the end. I don't know. This is only like my second time getting nails done like this. But yeah, as you can see, I'm like measuring stuff out, trying to get it as centered as I can, but I'm going for more like a free-flowing vibe. So yeah, we're just sketching out how I want the heart to look and where I want it to be. I love spirals because they represent the universe to me. Yeah, so don't judge. I know my lines are a little wobbly, but I tried to erase something and my eraser just started smudging, so I just decided to smudge out the whole thing, and it came out a little smoother. Yeah, so let's see, what am I gonna do? Oh my god. Oh, dang. Fired up. Hey. Okay, so we're gonna add the red. Takes multiple coats. I've been kind of procrastinating editing this video because there are so many parts where I'm just not talking, but there are some parts where I'll chime in and it was working. So just prepare for that. But yeah, let's see where we are right now. Looking good. Like the heart is like, I interpret it as the fourth dimension, which is infinite possibilities, and literally everything. It's chaos and order. So it's like chaos coming together to form this perfection of symmetry. I don't know. It's like I get ideas and then I think what the meaning could be later. I'm just gonna blur this out. Okay. I don't know. I'm trying to find like what we got at this point. I don't know. Getting hypnotized. Oh, I was thinking I kind of want to do like an illusions exhibition, or what's it called? Collection. Yeah. So not in school anymore, so I'm gonna start studying stuff about art. I'm probably gonna go back at some point. It's just like at this time in my life, it's like I can't really afford to just be burning myself out anymore. So okay, I know I mentioned I went through some mental health struggles. What it was I went through a psychosis. Yes. Yeah, oh yeah. And I was working 5 jobs at the time. So like I'm afraid if I stretch myself out, like work myself literally to my highest capacity all the time, all day, every day, something like that could happen again. I was diagnosed with bipolar. I didn't want to say anything about it at first. I don't really like labels and all that stuff, but like I don't really think anything of that much of it. Like it's not like a hindrance or like, oh, I'm stuck like this certain way. I don't know. But basically, I do resonate with going through highs and lows, and you know, a lot of times I feel like I can do anything and everything. Sometimes I want to chill, and I'm just coming to terms with that and accepting myself for who I am. Like, bro, my favorite quote right now is YOLO, because it's like, guys, life is so short. First of all, you never know when you're gonna die. Second of all, third of all, not everything is that serious. Like, I don't know. I just like to think that life is kind of like, it's just an experience. It's a fun experience. I don't like saying like video games. It's like, right, video games are obviously like life, but it's just an interesting perspective to think about it as like, to look at it from that perspective. Like, it's just an arena where we get to play and grow, and in the grand scheme of things, everything is connected. I was thinking about making a video about quantum and manifestation. I don't know if you'd be interested in that. I think it's pretty interesting. Like, it's just kind of proves that like the tiniest particles that make up everything are conscious, and they behave differently when they're being perceived, and basically just everything's conscious. So everything is a wave of potentials, and we get to attune our frequency to match what we want to create in our reality. But yeah, it gets pretty deep. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and put some yellows, just a little bit of highlights. I was mostly thinking I want to do kind of a pinky-ish red for the heart, but I don't know, I'm also feeling like this sacral, fiery energy. Oh my god, my microphone's not even on. I hope you could hear any of that, but yeah, my mic freaking turned off right after that, so what's up? We're adding some yellows. Ooh, this is what it looks like. Blending colors is so satisfying. I started out with ombres. I feel like right now we definitely need connection, like collective conscious connection. Like, it's like, what has the world come to? And what can we do about it? I'd like to hear your thoughts about the state of the world. You know, we're all living in it, so something we have in common. I think it's pretty cool that we get to experience life at the same time together, considering all the possible avenues our souls could have went on. It's reminding me of my snail painting. That one was fun. I like using paint pens. I use paint pens for that one. Because if you don't know this about me, I actually have shaky hands. It was interesting that I like to paint, but paint pens are very sturdy. I'm like, wait, was I even shaking this whole time? I feel like a lot of times I shake this when I'm like thinking about it. Like, I'd be looking like I'm all hella nervous. And really, like, guys, I'm actually allergic to temperature. I don't know if that's why I shake, because actually my hands are pretty cold. But yeah, I'm allergic to extreme temperatures, guys. I jumped in a lake one day at Western when I was visiting my sister at college, and it was really cold. I remember I like couldn't breathe, like it literally knocked the wind out of me, and then I was covered in hives. Next thing I knew, when I took hot showers and stuff, I would get hives, and so I thought I was allergic to water. And they did a bunch of tests on me, like, we don't know, like, literally, you're just allergic to temperature, and there's no cure for you. Sorry, boo. Yeah, fun facts about me. Yeah, just kind of documenting where I'm at in life as I go, so I can look, mostly just so I can look back at it. Also, I think it's nice to at least leave something behind. Like, I think that's cool that we're able to share at this magnitude these days. And yeah, like, I try to just look at the bright side of situations, and a lot of people do not like social media, the idea of it. It's like, I think it's helpful for me to just look at the bright side and see how I can use what I have presented to me. I don't know if that resonates with y'all. Okay. Oh, I'll show you. You're stopping here for now. I forgot. Since we're gonna add green, I need to blend the yellow ASAP. Well, we're at a spot. So now let's dry a little bit. I'm gonna add some pink, yeah. And then we're gonna blend the pink with the purple. So very good. Ooh, this pink is so nice. First swipe. So I added some purple. For some reason, I only have metallic purples. So yeah, but I got some indigo, and I also added some blue, but I don't know if I'll show that part on this. But yeah, so I cut down this part a lot. It was a lot of just going back and forth, adding different colors, blending the red with the purple and the blue. So now I'm going in with my, I think that's Artistro paint pen, but it wasn't really working. You know, I just used a Sharpie, and I ended up actually painting over the whole thing. It was giving when you have eyeliner and you keep, like, you accidentally make one side thicker and then you have to make the other side thicker. But I feel like it adds a cool little, like, vibe when you look at it. Yeah, and then I also outlined the green heart with black. And here's the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was super fun. I'm excited to get back into art. This definitely gave me back my passion. Here's a clip of my painting under my rainbow lights. I thought it was cool. It kind of like changes colors. So, yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.